Hi, my name is Cindy. Let's learn English together. In today's lesson, we will be learning all about adjectives. So, what are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe the noun. So, whenever we're talking about something, we can use adjectives to tell more about whatever that thing is. We're giving more context to the noun, providing more information about the noun. Let me give you an example. This is a what? What do I have in my hand? This is an orange, right? The noun is the orange. Now, I can describe this orange by saying all kinds of things. People like to use the five senses when they're thinking about describing something that's a noun. Your five senses are hearing, right? Seeing, smelling, tasting, touching, right? And feeling things. So if I had to describe this, I'm going to use my five senses to help me describe this orange. First thing, hear it. If I hear it and I squeeze the orange, right? And this is nice and soft. Already I'm describing how it feels. It's soft. This is a soft orange. If I'm describing what I hear, when I put it by my ear, for me, it sounds squishy. So I would say this is a soft, squishy orange, right? What does it look like? Well, the orange is orange, right? What's the shape of it? It's round. This is a round, soft, squishy orange, right? I can also talk about what does it smell like? The orange smells sweet. This is a round, soft, squishy, sweet orange, right? And of course, when I taste it, I can describe how does it taste. Is it yummy? Is it sour? I can describe that. And I can say this is a soft, squishy, sweet, sour orange. Or I can say this is a soft, squishy, sweet, yummy orange, right? Whichever words I want to use to describe it, my adjectives helps to provide more information. This is so much different than saying this is an orange, right? I'm giving so much more information about the orange. We can do that with a lot of things. With all the nouns that we're sharing within our conversations, within our writing, we can share information and provide more context about that noun by using adjectives. So we're going to try some. We're going to try an activity. Take a look at this picture that I'm going to put on the screen now. What is that? That's a dog. That's right. What can you say about this dog? What's an adjective that you can use to describe this dog? We can talk about the color. What's the color of that dog? Yes, right? This is a brown dog. Is the dog big or small? Right. You can use that to share more facts about this dog. You can do that with anything, any noun that you're describing. Once you use adjectives, it helps the person that you're speaking to know more about what you're talking about. Even when you're watching movies, guys, you can also use adjectives to describe it. Was the movie funny? This was a funny movie. Or was it a boring movie, right? There's so many ways to use adjectives. And what's great now, if you can't think of a word, they have lists that have all kinds of adjectives that you can choose from to help you to describe that thing. So we're going to play a little game. I'm going to put up some adjectives, some pictures, and I'm going to ask you to describe them using an adjective. So here we go. So what is that? That's an umbrella. Perfect. What adjective can you use to describe the umbrella? Great. And there are many different adjectives that you can use to describe it, guys. I want you to know that it's not just one cookie cutter answer. There are many different words that you can use when you're choosing adjectives to describe. Let's try one more. What is that? That's a car. How can you describe the car? Great, you got it, guys. I hope you had fun learning about adjectives today and that you use it in your conversations with others to help them know more about what you're talking about so they can get more context and more information about your whatever the noun is that you're sharing. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I hope to see you next time as we continue to learn English together. See you soon.